Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to hide or unhide chats in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to your chats. So you have all your chats contacts right here. So for you to hide any chat right here, what you need to do is to simply select the contact. So I'm going to simply select this particular contact right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on their username. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to click on chat and notification settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear from chat feed. Are you sure you want to clear this chat? Simply click on clear. So you have successfully hide the chat. By the time you go back to your chat box, and if I refresh my chat box right here, you see that the contact is not right here. Now, how can you unhide the chat? And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply click on the search icon right here. Then what you need to do is to simply type in the username of the contact. Then you have them right here. What you need to do is to simply click on it. And then you can start chat them back. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to hide or unhide chat in Snapchat. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.